Small turboprop aircraft used for regional flights and short distances. A light turboprop aircraft designed for regional transportation. A turboprop regional aircraft used to transport passengers over short distances. A medium-sized regional aircraft used on short routes. Compact turboprop aircraft for short and medium distances. A regional jet aircraft used for short flights. A medium-sized turboprop aircraft for short routes. An average regional aircraft offering more comfort compared to the CRJ-200. Small twin-engine jet aircraft for regional air transportation. A regional aircraft with good fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. A smaller version of the Airbus A320 family, designed for short and medium distances. A medium-sized aircraft widely used for regional and international flights. One of the most popular planes for medium flights, with good economy and capacity. A medium-sized jet aircraft designed for regional transportation. A popular narrow-body aircraft used on medium and long-haul flights. The most popular variant is the Boeing 737, used for medium and long-range flights. An extended version of the A320, designed for long-haul flights with a higher capacity. A long-range aircraft with high speed and range. Wide-body aircraft used for long-range international flights. A modern aircraft with high-tech solutions designed for long-range flights. Long-haul aircraft popular for international flights. Wide-body long-range aircraft used on the longest routes. A modern long-haul aircraft that provides a high level of comfort and efficiency. One of the most famous and largest passenger aircraft designed for long-range international flights. The largest passenger aircraft in the world, used for the longest and busiest routes. Subscribe so you don't miss the best comparisons.